In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix party joinability settings Fortnite on Mac. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on what to do if you are having trouble related to the party joinability settings. Usually there will be a warning with a yellow symbol telling you that party joinability is not set up correctly. So in this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can quickly fix this. It's going to work for both Windows and Mac. So all that you have to do to properly fix this is to go over to the settings. If you are playing on mouse and keyboard, just click on your icon or press escape and the social menu will pop up. Click the settings icon and then switch over to account and privacy, where one of the options under the social category is going to be party joinability. So as you can see under social privacy, you will find party joinability. Usually, even if this is set up correctly the way you like, you do have to come over here and reload this. So for example, if it was set to friends, just go over, change it to invite only, and then back to friends. This will make sure that the setting is updated and it is going to work. So you will be able to always change this whenever you wish and the issue should go away. Now, if you are playing this on a Mac natively through the Epic Games Launcher, you will be stuck on other seasons because Apple and Epic Games had some legal trouble, and because of this, to my knowledge, the Mac version of Fortnite does not receive updates anymore. So if you are trying to play with someone who is also running that version, first ensure that both of you have the latest version available on a Mac, and then you should be able to play together. Alternatively, if you want to play the current version of the game on a Mac, usually you will be using a cloud service, and you shouldn't have to change this if you are doing it through a cloud service. But if it ever comes to that, just make sure that you go ahead and change this here. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix party joinability settings Fortnite on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.